Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking a clear theme and gathering supplies so work moves fast. This saves time and keeps visuals cohesive. Once done, clear one table as a staging area and have your two helpers sort decorations into labeled bins. Make sure to inflate 20 balloons and pre-write 6 thank you notes. These small actions let you assemble focal pieces quickly. You'll know you're ready when materials are grouped and roles given. Then move straight to installing the main display. Now you construct the centerpiece and photo wall while explaining why placement matters. Eye-level banners draw attention, and a photo wall personalizes the space. First, hang a 6/8 FT banner centered above the board using double-sided tape and command hooks. Once secure, lay out photos in 3 rows of 4 inside clear sleeves to prevent damage. Then place desk bouquets with waterproof bases to avoid spills. Make sure spacing is consistent and step back. Finish by adding light touches that make the room feel warm and special. String lights and handwritten chalk messages create intimacy, and 10 small treats at the teacher's desk add a thoughtful highlight. Once done, perform a safety sweep for loose cords, blocked exits, and wet surfaces. If something goes wrong, like a popped balloon, don't pause. Swap it immediately for a paper rosette or a cluster of ribbon curls to preserve the look. Make sure everything is tidy before guests arrive.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.